Narayan Informatics.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Narayan Informatics. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the sentence. This is the part 2 of sentence video. So let's start the video. So first I want to recall all the things that we have learned in the sentence part 1. We have learned that what is a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is known as a sentence. Then we learned types of sentences. In that, there are 5 types of sentences. The first one was assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that says or states or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Now, our second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Now, our third type of sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses a command or order, an instruction, a request, or an advice. Now, our fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion or sudden strong feeling. Now, our fifth type of sentence is optative sentence. An optative sentence is used to pray, curse, or give blessings. A point to remember here is that optative sentences are not always counted in the kinds of sentences. There are mainly 4 kinds of sentences. Optative sentences are a part of exclamatory sentences. As you all must have recalled all the things that I told you in the previous video. So let's start with the topics. The topics are types of assertive sentences and types of interrogative sentences. Now we will start with our first topic, that is types of assertive sentences. There are 2 types of assertive sentences: affirmative or positive sentence and negative sentence. Now I am going to give you some examples so that you will be clear about the affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Now I am going to give you some example of affirmative or positive sentence. The boy caught the ball. This is a positive sentence and it is a simple sentence also. So it is the example of affirmative or positive sentence. Now I am going to give you the example of negative sentence. He didn't bat. This means there is not with did, and when there is not, the sentence is negative. So this sentence is a negative sentence. Now moving towards our next topic, that is types of interrogative sentences. The main meaning of interrogative sentences are questions. So there are 2 types of questions: positive questions and negative questions. And there are 2 types of interrogative sentences also: positive interrogative sentences and negative interrogative sentences. Now I am going to give you some examples of positive interrogative sentences and negative interrogative sentences. So first, positive interrogative sentences. So the question here is, do you like chocolates? And the answer will be yes, I like chocolates. So when there is yes, it is a positive interrogative sentence or any positive sentence. And an example of negative interrogative sentence: do you know about Galileo Galilei? I don't know about him. Where words like no, not, these type of words are there in the statements or answers, the full sentence will be negative. There is one more type of interrogative sentence: WH questions. The sentence which begins with the words which, whose, whom are known as WH questions. The main 3 components of WH questions are interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjectives, and interrogative adverbs. So first I will tell you about interrogative pronoun. So let's start with it. There are many interrogative pronouns like who, whose, whom. Who, whose, whom apply to persons only. For example, who has taken my book? Raman has taken it. Here, who is used in the place of someone, that is Raman. Another example, whose pencil is this? This is Sham's pencil. Here, whose is used for someone, that is Sham. Some points to remember: who is used as a subject and whom is used as an object. For example, who invited you? Here, who is a subject and you is a object. Another example, whom are you inviting? Here, whom is a object and you is the subject. Note, however, these days in informal conversation, it is usual to use who instead of whom. For example, whom do you want to call is also correct, whereas who do you want to call is also correct. Both the sentences given above are now accepted as right. The first sentence is more formal than the second one. We use the first sentence in written English, whereas the second sentence is used in spoken English. Now, our second interrogative pronoun is what. What can be used for persons and things. For example, what is in the bushes? Here, the answer will be thorns are there in the bushes. Thorns is a thing. Here, what is used for thorns? That is a thing. Now, one more example. What is she? She is a cook. Here, what is used for a person? Now, I am giving you some more example. Look at these questions and their answers. Who is he? And the answer will be he is a friend. What is he? And the answer will be he is a teacher. When we use what with a person, it means that we want to know their trade or profession. Now, our third type of interrogative pronoun is which applies to both persons and things. For example, who is the captain? This is a general inquiry that who is the captain. And and the second example, which of you is the captain? This is a question asking to a group. This is pointing to a group question. Now, one more example. What are you playing these days? This is a general inquiry that what are you playing these days? And the second one is which of these games are you playing? Pointing to a group means pointing to a group of games. Which of these games are you playing? Now, we use which when we have to select some person or thing from a given group. Now I'm going to tell you interrogative pronouns, interrogative adjectives, and interrogative adverb. Who, whose, whom, what, which are interrogative pronouns. What color, whose child, which worker, etc. are interrogative adjectives. When, where, why, how long, how often, how far are interrogative adverbs. Now we will do a recap of this video. First one is types of assertive sentences. Affirmative or positive sentence. Sentence which is a positive sentence or a simple sentence is known as affirmative or positive sentence, and negative sentence. A sentence which contains no, not types of words is known as a negative sentence. These are the two types of assertive sentence. Now the second point, types of interrogative sentences. Three types of interrogative sentences. Positive interrogative sentence. A sentence or question which is a positive or simple question is known as a positive interrogative sentence. Now negative interrogative sentences. Sentence or question which has no, not, or is a negative question is known as a negative interrogative sentence. Now the third type is WH questions. Questions starting from WH words like which, what, whom, whose is known as the WH questions. Components of WH questions: interrogative pronouns who, whose, whom, what, which. Second component, interrogative adjectives: what color, whose child, etc. Interrogative adverbs: when, where, why, how, etc. So friends, this much for this video. More new things in the next video. So for the time, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.